Capital One account access, your money at your fingertips. Ever scrambled to check your bank balance right before a big purchase, only to realize you can't remember your login details? We've all been there. But what if accessing your Capital One account was as easy as checking your phone for the weather? Context and pain point. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king. Whether you're a seasoned Capital One customer or a new cardholder, navigating the world of online and mobile banking can feel overwhelming. Fear not, financial friends. This video will be your one-stop guide to unlocking the secure and straightforward ways to access your Capital One account. Solution: online banking. Let's dive into the first option, online banking. Capital One offers a user-friendly web portal accessible from any device with an internet connection. Here's how to get started. Head to the Capital One sign-in page. Remember, security is paramount. Make sure you're on Capital One's official website to avoid any phishing scams. Enter your login credentials. This includes your username and password. If you haven't created an online banking account yet, no worries. The sign-up process is quick and easy. Explore your financial landscape. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by a dashboard showcasing your account information. View your account balances, track recent transactions, and even manage your credit score with Capital One's free CreditWise tool, all from the comfort of your couch. Deep dive, mobile app magic. But what if you're on the go and need to check your account in a pinch? That's where the Capital One mobile app comes in. Available for free on both iOS and Android devices, the app puts the power of your finances right in your pocket. Download the app, search for Capital One Mobile in your App Store and download it. Log in with your existing credentials. If you're already enrolled in online banking, you can use the same username and password to access the app. Unlock a world of features. The mobile app offers all the functionalities of online banking and more. Make quick payments, deposit checks with your phone's camera, and even locate nearby ATMs, all with a few taps. Bonus tip: two-factor authentication. For an extra layer of security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on both your online banking and mobile app. This adds an additional step to the login process, typically requiring a code sent to your phone or email, making it even harder for unauthorized access. Remember, security first. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder: Capital One prioritizes the safety of your financial information. Never share your login credentials with anyone, and be cautious of emails or calls claiming to be from Capital One. If something seems fishy, it probably is. So, there you have it. With online banking and the mobile app, accessing your Capital One account is a breeze. Take control of your finances today and unlock the convenience of having your bank at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more money management tips and tricks. And until next time, happy banking!